Alright, what's going on, guys? It's the Classic OGs here, and today we are going to be doing a case opening. We're only doing 10 breakout case keys. Hopefully we can get a butterfly knife. I mean, that'd be so cool. The Hyper Beast. Oh no, this is the chroma case. Breakout case. Really don't want the P90 Asimov, but the Cyrex would be sweet. The 5.7 foul play stat track. I heard that was like a bunch. So let's just start off with the third case. Third key. Alright, let's get into it. See what we get for our first go. Urban Hazard, alright. Not good at all. Alright, second key. Ivory. See, now the bad thing about this case is there's oh my god! I got a knife! Oh my god! Oh my god, I got a knife! Oh my god! I got a knife! Oh my god! Oh my god! I got a knife! Oh my god! Oh my Oh my god. Dude, I unboxed the knife.